Hey everyone, want ueli to start automatically every time you sign into Windows. Enabling startup allows the launcher to run in the background, so it's always ready whenever you need it. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to run ueli at startup on Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, launch ueli and open the settings window. You can do this from the system tray icon or through the launcher, depending on your installed version. Next, navigate to the general section. This is where you'll find options related to startup behavior, keyboard shortcuts, and other basic preferences. Locate the Start with Windows or Launch at Startup option and enable it. Once this setting is turned on, ueli will automatically start each time you sign in to Windows. If ueli still doesn't start automatically, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Startup, and make sure ueli is enabled there as well. Windows Startup settings can override application preferences. Now restart your computer to test the startup configuration. After signing back into Windows, check the system tray to confirm that ueli launched automatically. If ueli still doesn't launch at startup, update to the latest version. Check that startup isn't disabled by Windows or third-party optimization software. And verify that ueli has permission to run automatically. And that's how to run ueli at startup on Windows. Enabling automatic startup ensures your launcher is always ready the moment you log in, making your workflow faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.